some barbarians rise in the moment before the moment now. And then you look in my young woman's eyes to say the words of an ancestor's vow. A flight of the wing, a lie of the land, a wind at our back and a downhill run, a flow of the tide, hours measured in sand, and we'll get back once more around the sun. A clock to pace out the distance we've come, making memories of what we'll become. Harvest is the season against hunger, and the calendar signs this year's contract. Then was long, but forever is longer. A second is the time needed to act. Better to be early than to be late, but delay this day can't be avoided. A broken promise is making us wait for what was never to be provided. A clock to pace out the distance we've come, making memories of what we'll become. We kiss the child goodbye at adults' call, then our own children come to ask us why. The pendulum swings to make the night fall, and the carriage of time lifts the moon high. The machine listens for cesium ticks transmitted down from the orbital swarm, telling where the ship that we're on is fixed as she tears her sails in the deepening storm. A clock to pace out the distance we've come, making memories of what we'll become. You turn to me and say that we could walk through the spaces between our oldest friends. I say we laughed and sang and we still talk, and take the night to make our bodies blend. Our old clock chimed through the times that we've come, recording all that you and I have done.